how to download Chat GPT app on iPhone. So we all know that ChatGPT does not have its app launched on App Store, but using this method we can have it as an app. So first of all, let's go to our browser and in the search bar section, search for Chat GPT. And after I've done so, go to the official website, right? OpenAI.com. Click on the first website right here of OpenAI. And after I've done so, click on Try Chat GPT. At the bottom of the screen, you should see the share icon right here, right? Just click on the share icon, slide down, and click on Add to Home Screen, the sixth option. Click on Add to Home Screen. And then after you're led to this page, at the top right corner of the screen, click on Add right here. And then ChatGPT has been added to your home screen. You can use it as an app. So let's just go to the ChatGPT right here. And then simply log in. And you can enter your email address and enter your password and use ChatGPT as an app in iPhone. You don't need to log in back again and again as you do in the website, right? It just works perfectly as an app. So that's how you do it. That's how you download ChatGPT app on iPhone. It's a shortcut. Thank you very much.